This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, September 16th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus, 445 to 495, 8 to 900, 538 to 542, 7 to 800, 549 to 597, 6 to 700, 560 to 615, 5 to 600, 617 to 711, 4 to 500, 750 to 855, 3 to 400, 860 to $10. Heifers 900 plus, 420 to 453, 8 to 900, 474 to 483, 7 to 800, 494 to 525, 6 to 700, 547 to 555, 5 to 600, 570 to 620, 4 to 500, 710 to 770, 3 to 400, 820 to 880. This week's show list has been compiled with volume smaller than the previous week. This week we are dealing with a very current cash offering. Canfax released its September 1st cattle on feed report last Friday. Following 3 consecutive months of larger feedlot placements, August was a little bit of a different story as placements were lower than last year. In general, the yearling run has been slow to get underway. This spring, dry conditions were a factor, and some producers might have stocked their pastures a little lighter. In addition, the July 1st cattle inventory report showed more heifers being kept back or retained for breeding in both Alberta and Saskatchewan, keeping these heifers possibly out of the feedlot mix for now. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 210 to 225, D3 cows 180 to 210. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 220 to 260. In the U.S., there is no new trade report. Nationally, packer interest remains light, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 245 on a live basis. 4 state show list volumes have been reported smaller, with the largest week-over-week declines in fed supplies noted in Nebraska and Colorado. According to USDA, the all-fresh beef retail price was reported at $9.18 per pound, a new record high. Retail beef prices are 12% higher than last year. Other proteins have strengthened, but not to the degree beef prices have. Retail pork prices are 2% higher than last year, and the fresh whole chicken values are 4% higher than a year ago. National bone and cows average $322.28 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.76, up 18 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. October 233.65, down 95. December 235.22, down 105. February 237.12, down 67. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.